want your bike to look like it belongs on the racetrack or grabs attention on the road without breaking the bank, you're in luck. Today we'll explore 14 budget-friendly mods that can seriously upgrade your motorcycle's style and performance, giving it that expert-level feel. And believe me, number 10 is one you can't skip. It's a total game changer you never saw coming. Let's get started. 1. Lighting enhancements. Lighting upgrades blend style with functionality. Try swapping your bike's headlight for a high-performance LED unit. LED lights shine brighter, use less power, and outlast standard halogen bulbs. They not only improve visibility during night rides, but also help other drivers see you better, boosting safety. For added flair, think about installing LED accent lights around your bike. These strips trace your bike's lines, creating a sleek, modern effect. Kits can cost as little as $30, and most are easy to install. LED lighting transforms your ride's vibe. It's a cost-effective way to boost both looks and safety. 2. Handlebar Upgrades. One of the easiest yet most effective mods you can do is upgrading your handlebars. Experienced riders understand the value of comfort and control. Replacing stock grips with ergonomic ones or adding bar ends gives you better handling and a high-end feel. Handlebars are among the most hands-on components of the bike. They're the key contact point between you and the machine. If you love long-distance rides, ergonomic grips ease hand and wrist fatigue. Bar ends, meanwhile, offer added control and give your ride a cleaner, sportier look. For those who want a more aggressive stance, risers can reposition the handlebars. This boosts not just style, but also riding posture, crucial for extended trips. A handlebar mod can cost as little as $20, making it perfect for riders on a tight budget. A minor upgrade here can massively improve comfort and control. 3. Aftermarket exhaust tips. Upgrading your entire exhaust system can be pricey, but you can get a similar vibe by replacing just the stock exhaust tip. Aftermarket tips are available in a range of designs, from shiny chrome to bold carbon fiber finishes. This mod not only boosts your bike's look, but also improves its sound, delivering a richer, deeper tone. If you're into that throaty growl of a high-end exhaust, this is a simple and affordable way to achieve it. With prices starting at $40, aftermarket exhaust tips offer a cost-effective upgrade that makes your bike look and sound like a pro's machine. 4. Fender Eliminator kits. Stock fenders are often bulky and can make even sleek bikes appear dated. Fender Eliminator kits tidy up your bike's rear, giving it a cleaner, more aggressive silhouette. This mod is especially favored by sport bike enthusiasts aiming for that race-ready style. Most kits come with a built-in license plate mount and begin at $40, making it an affordable way to upgrade your bike's look. It's a fast, straightforward modification that dramatically sharpens your bike's appearance, adding that professional rider flair. 5. Paint and decals. Looking to make your bike pop in a crowd? A new paint job or custom decals can give your ride that straight-from-a-pro look. Vinyl wraps are a fan favorite. They're budget-friendly, simple to apply, and easy to remove. Try bold colors, matte styles, or carbon fiber effects without making a permanent change. If you're feeling crafty, a DIY paint kit can add a one-of-a-kind personal flair. Just be sure to prep your bike's surface well and use top-grade spray paint for a smooth finish. Decals are also a cheap upgrade, with prices starting around $10. Mix and match ideas to create a custom look that radiates pro style. Best of all, paint and decals let your bike reflect who you are. It's the one upgrade where your creativity runs wild. 6. Seat modifications. Upgrading to a stylish and comfy seat is one of the most overlooked motorcycle improvements. Replacing your stock seat cover with a custom one can quickly boost your bike's look, giving it a more upscale vibe. For added luxury, think about adding custom stitching or embroidery. A distinctive, well-crafted seat helps your bike stand out, adding a unique touch of style. Seat upgrades start at just $25, making them an affordable way to boost both comfort and looks. Whether you're riding around the city or heading out on long trips, a quality seat truly changes the experience. 7. Tank pads and grips. Tank pads offer a simple, low-cost way to give your bike a pro-level look while shielding it from everyday wear. They help prevent scratches caused by belts or zippers and come in plenty of styles to match your vibe. Side grips, meanwhile, enhance control during hard braking or tight cornering. These are especially handy for sport bike riders who crave that extra traction. Tank pads and grips typically start at $15, making them a must-have upgrade for any budget. They boost your bike's style, improve handling, and protect against regular riding damage. 8. Bar end mirrors. To give your bike a sleek, updated vibe, try switching to bar end mirrors. These minimalist upgrades not only boost rear visibility, but also offer a cleaner, more refined look. They're a favorite among cafe racer and street fighter fans. Installation is simple, and they strike a great balance between style and functionality. The added visibility and aerodynamic edge are major benefits when you're zipping down highways or maneuvering through city streets. With prices starting at $20, bar end mirrors are a stylish, budget-friendly mod with real-world perks. 9. Tire lettering kits. Tire lettering kits are a great way to give your bike a bold, race-inspired edge. Whether you choose ready-made decals or custom designs, this mod lets you personalize your wheels with ease. The application process is easy, and the transformation is instantly noticeable. It's one of those little changes that makes a big difference in overall style. Tire lettering doesn't just look cool, it shows you care about every detail. Kits start at $15. Sometimes it's the smallest tweaks that add the biggest visual punch to your ride's appearance. 10. Phone mount with charger. A phone mount that includes a built-in charger is a must-have mod that blends practicality with tech-savvy convenience. Whether you're navigating, streaming music, or tracking ride stats, keeping your phone secure and powered is a major benefit. Choose a mount that's durable, weather-resistant, and simple to set up. This upgrade is especially helpful for riders who rely on their phone as a GPS or want real-time performance data. Starting at only $20, it's a cost-effective mod that makes every ride smoother. It's one of those upgrades you never realized you needed until you can't ride without it. 11. Underbody LED Lighting. To really make your bike pop, Underbody LED Lighting is a top choice. These versatile kits let you pick from multiple colors and effects, like strobe or fading patterns. Perfect for night rides, Underglow LEDs cast an eye-catching light that emphasizes your bike's shape. Kits usually start at $25 and often come with a remote control, making it easy to switch up the look. This mod doesn't just add a futuristic edge, it also boosts visibility, keeping you seen on the road no matter what time you're riding. 12. Sliders. Frame sliders offer both protection and style. They shield your bike during a fall while giving it a sleek, race-inspired look. These compact, tough components are mounted at strategic points to absorb impact and minimize damage. Even if you don't hit the track, sliders bring a performance-focused vibe to your ride. Built to be strong yet lightweight, they provide safety without adding bulk. With prices starting at $50, they're a smart and stylish upgrade. Not only do they guard your bike in minor mishaps, but they also elevate its visual appeal overall. 13. Colored brake and clutch levers. Brake and clutch levers are often missed in custom builds, but upgrading them can have a big impact. Adjustable colored levers enhance ergonomics while injecting personality into your handlebars. Pick shades that match your bike's color scheme for a unified appearance. These levers provide a useful upgrade and boost your bike's visual appeal. Starting at $30, this mod is a simple way to combine style and function. Whether you opt for bold tones or more muted hues, colored levers add a unique touch of flair to your ride. 14. Custom Windscreen. A custom windscreen is the finishing touch for a pro-level motorcycle. This upgrade improves both aerodynamics and overall design. Choose durable materials like polycarbonate for long-lasting clarity and strength. A custom screen also cuts down wind resistance and offers extra face protection during faster rides. Starting around $50, it's a smart buy for riders who want both form and function. And there you have it, 14 low-cost mods to make your bike look and perform like a pro's. From lighting tweaks to ergonomic upgrades, these ideas prove you don't need big bucks for big changes. Which mod are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our latest tips. Ride safe and thanks for watching.